Hello everyone, this is Auntie Mel and this is the finished product. This is the stewed chicken with brown gravy on mashed potato.
Panda.
And I have some vegetables in here. Little man, you naughty boy. I have turnips or daikon in Japanese and tomatoes, mayonnaise, and cucumbers. And little man is eating the same as me. Chicken. He loves chicken. Oops. Loves chicken. So that's his little bowl. And since I've been having chemo, I've been having small appetite. So I just hope I can finish this. Okay, just wanted to show you. It's so yummy.
Bye.
Okay, aloha.
Aloha.